What is going on, y'all? Unfortunately, I got this cheap phone, so I can't like go back to my face or anything like that, which is probably better for y'all anyway. But I want to talk about something here real quick. So I bought this car, this 2004 Hyundai Sonata. I've been talking about it a lot lately, right? And the AC hasn't worked since I got the thing. Now I went to put the little recharge thing on here, and stuff, and it just didn't work at all, And it's obviously, I was like, okay, well, damn, I got a compressor problem, right? I went over here. I checked my my compressor. Fuse, 10 amp fuse, and the fuse was bad, so I changed the fuse out. Bam, should have fixed the problem, right? It didn't. For some reason in my mind, I didn't think about it, and so I went over here to my compressor, and would you look at that? There's the plug for the compressor, and it's not plugged into anything. Now, where's the other wire? Well, the other wire is actually right here. And so what tells me is that it got ripped off some kind of way, probably in the belt or something like that. So what I've got to do is I got to be able to plug it in. And if you look at the compressor down here, it actually spins freely. So I think the compressor is good. I just think it's not plugged in. So what I did here is I went and pulled out my crimpers and found a couple little connectors there, and I went and bought this little pigtail set here, just universal wiring harness pigtail set here. And I'm gonna go ahead and wire that up here. Should take just a couple of minutes, shouldn't take no time at all. Unfortunately, I probably won't be able to video while I'm doing it, but this is a pretty simple process here. But I'm gonna go ahead and wire that up, and hopefully that will instantly fix my AC problem. But this little set right here, 12 bucks basically on Amazon. Wasn't nothing to it at all. Just make sure you don't use somebody else's Prime though, because they'll probably make you buy them stuff at the same time. You know how that works. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this real quick, and we'll get started. All right, so I took my crimpers. So one thing I didn't really notice there was that my other plug was still actually plugged in there. If you kind of look at this, it actually ripped out at some point, right? Which is probably what blew the fuse in the first place. It ripped out of here. So, it was good. I only had to replace one side of this connector, hopefully. So I crimped it in there, and then I found, of course, the black thing, the covering there, the protective covering. I put it back in there. So now it's just simply a matter of plugging it back in here. Let's see if I can do it. Bam, she's plugged in just like that. Now, of course, I have all this excess here, right? And this is probably where the problem was the last time that it ripped out. So I've got to tie that up somewhere, figure that part out. First thing I want to do, though, is make sure this is actually going to work. But hopefully, when I start this thing up, the AC compressor is going to start working, and I'll have AC. If not, well, then I probably need a new AC compressor altogether. But I feel like that's probably going to fix the situation. Like I said, little wiring harness, $12 fix, as opposed to a $240 compressor, and then time and energy to try to put that thing in, or even to have somebody else do it. Plus, you got to evacuate your AC system. So that's that as far as that goes. We're going to see if this thing works, and I will let y'all know.